Hi, my name is Tony Cruz, and today I'm here to talk to you about the ABCs of bike check. One of the most important things any rider can do before taking their bike out onto the road or onto the bike trail is their ABCs. And you're probably asking, what are the ABCs of bike check? Well, it's simple. A stands for air, B stands for brake, and C stands for chain. Let's start with A. Check the sidewall of your tire for the manufacturer's range for air pressure. Start by inflating the tire to the midpoint of the manufacturer's recommended tire pressure. If your tire shows 35 psi to 45 psi, inflate your tire to 40 psi, which is the midpoint. Now we'll move on to B for brakes. Test your brakes to make sure they're functioning properly so that they'll stop you as needed. You want to make sure that when you actuate the brake pad is touching the sidewall of the rim. And now C for chain. Make sure your chain is properly lubed and that the chain tension is correct. These checks are very important for your safety and for your ride quality. So remember to do your ABCs and enjoy the ride.